So, okay now? Okay. Now we continue here. Last hour we say 今天,今年,明天,明年. So you ask how to say yesterday and last year. Okay. So now we learn. Yesterday 是昨天 also is 天 So today, tomorrow, yesterday, all is 天天天昨天 But last year we don't say 昨年 Last year we use a different one. Last year we say 去年 And this pronunciation with 2 dots. So 去年 Yes. Yes. So this one is different. So 今天明天昨天今年明年去年 Yes. Yeah. Did we learn how to say go somewhere? Yeah, you know, but in this class, did we learn? No, right? Okay, now we learn. So, 去 the meaning. So, 去. Okay, the pronunciation with 2 dots. This is pinyin, right? Yeah, 去. 去 means to go. 去是 go somewhere. For example, say, I will go to 福田. 我去福田. 我去南山. 我去上海. So 去. So 去年 means like already passed the year. So 有去. This is a connection. Yes.
Question. So 去年 is like the previous year, like last year. So how do I say like 2 years ago?
That's another grammar. Ago. We didn't learn. Yes. So this is 去. It's a new verb in this class. Means go somewhere. So for example, say, I will go to Beijing tomorrow. How to say?
明天我要去北京
Good. Yes. Time first. 明天我要去北京 Yes. Because it's here. 明天我要去北京 Yes. How to say? Sunday, I will go to 罗湖 Sunday. 罗湖 Yes. 星期天 time first. 星期天我要去罗湖 Yes. Okay, so now we learn the time word. So for 星期一到星期天 and then for 今天明天昨天 and also the year. So 今年明年去年 and 去 means go somewhere.
Can I say 我去 or 我要?
If you want to say I want to go, you can say 我要去 Yes. If you want to say tomorrow I want to go to Beijing, then say 我要去北京 Yes. Pronunciation is 于去 Yeah, 去 Yes.
You can also use shing want. Yo or we can use both. Yo, shing. Shing means want, right? 想
想
Yo, 想 What is the difference between yo, 想
Next lesson then. Not this. Yes. Because later we will learn about 想 as a class. Yes. So for now, use 要 to want something. Okay? So this is lesson 5. Finished. Any question?
How to say come? This is chu means go. And
Yes.
How to say come?
Later we will learn. Today enough. Okay? Yes. Because each lesson we will learn new things. Don't too much. If too much, no practice, we'll forget. Okay? Step by step. Okay, now let's practice pinyin. Still the book. Okay, page 4. Page 4. 4. Each lesson, we practice pinyin to make the pronunciation good, because now we are still beginning, so the pronunciation important. Okay, page 4. Here's the picture. Let's read. How to read? The first one. Remember the tone and pronunciation. Okay. 一 5 Yeah. 鱼 The pronunciation is this one, right? Is this one. 鱼 So it's a fish. 鱼 Next one. Next. 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 Yes, 花 Next. 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 雪 This one. 雪 Yes, 雪 Okay, next page.